Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to a new series that I'm starting on my channel called How to Fight Boredom. Now, boredom is a common enemy that we all experience, and this video is just here to show you stuff that you could do to fight boredom. Now, this is a 7-part series in which I'm going to be showing you 7 different activities that you could do to fight boredom. Each of these activities will represent a day of the week, so you literally have a week of activities that you could do. Now, all of these activities cost little to no money and a little to no effort. It requires effort and maybe gas depending on what you are doing and if you have a car. But you could take all of these activities and spruce them up and change them up however they fit you best. So without further ado, let us get into our first activity, which is simply going outside. Now, when it comes to going outside, you can do whatever you want, however you want. Have a picnic, play a sport, do some art. But for this day, I'm going to be going outside and getting some exercise in. So the plan when I go to the park is to just do some soccer drills. I haven't played soccer for a long while, but I wanted to do like some simple soccer drills and just like spend some time out there in the quietness. So that's really gonna be it. You could do whatever. You could read. You could go on your phone, on the internet. You could do homework, just whatever you feel like doing. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna be doing out there in the park, just doing some soccer drills, and that'll be me and go home. Okay, so if you like this kind of content, just please like the video and tell me what's your favorite thing to do. What was your favorite part, and what is something that you like to do to keep yourself occupied? Because there's a ton of stuff you could do, but it feels like there's nothing to do, even though there's like a ton of stuff to do. It just takes time and effort to think about it. All right, so let's get into the video and let's head out to the park. So yeah, this park was newly renovated, and honestly, they did a superb job because the grass never used to look like this. It was just hair and really started to get run down. And I've been meaning to come and take a look at it, and I'm finally here. And there's so much space, so much space. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna chill. I'm actually going to I brought my soccer ball, so I'm gonna do some soccer drills and just yeah, do that. I absolutely love this space. I love stuff like this. It's so neat. But yeah, coming to a park is a great way to like get out the house. That way you could do so much different stuff. If you wait 1 second. Yeah, if you have schoolwork and you just want to like get outside and focus, try going outside and actually doing your schoolwork outside, whether that be on a computer or just like book work, because I don't know, it's like the change of scenery helps a ton and it really makes a difference. Like out here I could focus better because there isn't the distractions of like my room, my bed, the fridge, people texting me. So that's a great way to like get stuff done, or like just getting away from people and being by yourself. I mean, in some cases that could be dangerous, but if you come like at a time where nobody's out, like now because it's midday, you should be just fine. So yeah, I got my soccer ball. I am just going to warm up, do some soccer drills, and then that'll be me for right now. a light breakfast before I came out here, so I'm trying to not overdo it. That's enough pre-warming up. Gee, I sure hope you can see me properly, but this rain just won't stop. Maybe one day I decide to do this video because I've been meaning to film something that I've been trying to film today for the longest time, and now I actually do it, and poof, the rain. So hopefully it doesn't last too long. It lasted like 20 minutes last time it rained, and it's really just spraying, so it's nothing too heavy. I could really work in the rain if I wanted to, but I don't want to. So yeah, well, I could practice in here. I'm gonna go back to working on that thing I was working on, and then I'm gonna go inside. I didn't intend to get this sweaty, but I figured it was gonna happen. Okay, I think that is it for me for today. I tried to get a certain element, but it just wasn't happening today, so I think I did good. I'm gonna call it a day. If I could get this fixed, that and this inhale. All right, let's go. Whew. Alright, this brings us to the end of the video. I am back. I am refreshed. I need to go shower. But that was really fun. I haven't done that in a little while, and I was out of breath. I sweat more than I thought I was going to. But yeah, my legs feel kind of tired now. Like as I was sitting down on the way home, my legs just felt tired. So yeah, that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you had fun watching me have fun, and look out on my Instagram for that video I was talking about, the soccer dance choreography thing that I tried to do, and look out for the next video. I'm going to be trying to do more stuff like this. I'm going to try to continue the boredom series, or how to fight boredom series, because like I said, there's a ton of stuff that you could do, just simple stuff every day to make your day less boring or to keep yourself occupied. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and check out all my other content if you like stuff like this. Like it, comment down below which part was your favorite, or like what do you like to do when you go outside, if you go outside, if you like to go outside. So I will see y'all in the next video. Take care and stay safe. Okay, last and final thing before I go, I just want to say it was really nice to like see me to like watch myself practice, because I haven't done soccer training in a little while. So it was nice to see. If you ever want to like improve at something, it's good to like videotape yourself doing it, so that you can see what you need to work on. Like I know I need to work on like staying on my toes and staying light on my toes and bending down lower, because I move a whole lot better and swifter when I'm lower. Since I'm tall, I guess keeping myself lower has something to do with gravity, keeping my center of gravity strong, so that way I could like move faster and I wouldn't be tripping over myself. So yeah, I just wanted to put that in there. If you do want to improve at something, videotape yourself doing it, like a dance or something physical. Just like watch yourself do it, and that way you could correct stuff that needs to be corrected. All right, last clip. That's it. Thank you for staying for this end credit scene.